guys, welcome back to the channel again. Making another video here for you. I got some special news that I want to go over with y'all just to keep y'all updated on the channel, so let me go ahead and talk about it. Some pretty big news, but I'm sure it's going to be for the best here, so let me go ahead, let's start getting where I'm going. Alright guys, well basically what I've been wanting to talk about and what this video is mainly about is so this has been planned for a while now, and you know, everything just kind of had to line up with, you know, the plans for this. But pretty much what I'm trying to say is I'm moving, guys. So as you know, I've been wanting to do this for, you know, some time now. It's been at least 2 years is the time frame from I was planning to do this, and I will be moving to San Antonio to move in with my girlfriend, and you know, so that's pretty much what the big news is. I'll be moving from Bryan College Station to San Antonio, Texas, and you know, I'm from there originally. I was born in San Antonio, and we moved, you know, here to the Bryan College Station area, you know, back in '01. So we've been living here for a good, you know, 20 years. So it's just time to kind of move on and, you know, start the next chapter in life. So we're real excited about that. I know for a lot of you who follow me, who like the cars, big car scene over there in San Antonio. So I'll be really excited to, you know, do the car shows and the car meets and the car groups and just be involved with, you know, doing that type of thing over there. So I'll be real excited to come out with a bunch of, you know, videos for y'all going to the big car scene there, and hopefully, you know, the mods will continue to come, and, you know, as far as that goes. But, you know, I'm just real excited to, you know, make that new step in life, and you know, make that next chapter begin. So we're real excited about it. I know that if y'all are watching this, the people who are from here, I know y'all are gonna miss me, but I will come back to see y'all. Don't worry, I will. Just gotta be patient, and I'll make it back whenever I can. I do know one thing though, moving to San Antonio will definitely be a change, because I'm so used to living in such a small area. Bryan College Station is not that big compared to San Antonio, and so getting everywhere is simple. When the students are in town, it's a little more, you know, longer, I guess, to get from, you know, place to place, but it's nothing compared to San Antonio still. So that is going to be something I'm going to have to get used to. It's just the traffic and just the whole layout and everything just being further and bigger. But you know, it'll be all right. It just takes time to get used to it and get all that situated. But you know, we're real excited about that, and you know, it's just something you got to do. You know, it's the next chapter in life, and you just got to take it by the horns and go. Oh guys, also I will be filming the day of the move, so that way you kind of have a little vlog there just of my experiences with the day of the moving up there. And then I'll also be filming another video going over the day, I guess a day or two after the move-in, so I can do, you know, like an apartment tour and stuff like that, so y'all can kind of see, you know, my new place and stuff. So excited to be making those for y'all, really. But that'll be coming up in the future, so y'all stay tuned for those. Those will be pretty good there. And then, you know, we'll just start making more videos coming out with, you know, car meets, car shows, and more mods and stuff like that. So I'm real excited to just do all that for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm here at Best Buy. I needed to buy a GoPro chest mount for this fishing trip that I'm gonna be going on in a couple weeks. So I thought I'd just bring y'all with me, go get those real quick, and then come back, and then you know, we'll head home. But let's go ahead and go inside real quick, get that stuff. You know, your boy had to park way out in the back, that way I don't mess anything up and no one hits me. So let's go ahead, head on in. Got some of the TVs here. They look really good. Look at the picture quality on that one. you gotta have your Apple stuff. iPad. And your laptops. And your big ones over here. Okay, let's see if they have the chest mount. Oh my gosh, guys, look, they have one more right here. One more for me. Bam, there it is right there, chest mount. That'll come in handy. All right, guys, I got the head strap mount there. It's only $43. So let's go ahead, we're gonna head back. I used to have one of these little Mitsubishi Lancers. GTS model, looked kind of like that. It was silver. And parked away from everybody just so I avoid. Love it, love it. We'll stick those right there. Mount back up. Love that exhaust note. All right, everyone, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the quick little video, just kind of going over the big news about me moving to San Antonio. So you know, appreciate everything y'all do, you know, with watching the videos, liking my photos, following me on my Instagram, my TikTok, stuff like that. So I really appreciate that, y'all. Help me out. If y'all are new, go follow me on my social media, go watch my videos, go like them, go subscribe. I really appreciate it if y'all would. But until the next video, guys, this is the Broke Vet out. Hope y'all have a great day. Peace.